Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a T-Phone 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup. It should be on the fourth position, and as you can see, we've been directly transferred to this Google One section. So let's simply tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, just like here. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it. Just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the info about the whole backup. So you can check that you will be able to use your backup, actually 15 gigabytes of the storage. You can back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. What's more, of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically when you will be connected with the Wi-Fi. It will store it securely, of course, and you will be able to manage the backup easily whenever you want to. So basically all we have to do is to simply tap on turn on, and again we've been transferred to the backup storage. Let's say right here you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, of course. Here you've got the backup details, which simply means that you can check which part of your data has been backed up already. And here you've got advanced settings, and it's quite important. Here you've got the option backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. It is because that if you're using the mobile data to download something, to back up the data, to just transfer data, it may charge you. So it's better to avoid that. So keep this option turned off. And basically all you have to do is to simply tap on backup now. And as you can see, your device is backing up your data. So basically that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.